Example 4. In the figure, if PQ is parallel to RS, prove that triangle POQ is similar to triangle SOR. So I'll be just writing the given and two proof statements for the first few problems, after which I expect you to write it. I will directly be doing the proof. Okay, so in given, they have given PQ is parallel to RS. You have to prove that triangle POQ is similar to triangle SOR. Please observe here, best similarity is to say that the AA similarity. If you can find two angles equal, very easy. So vertically opposite angles, you have one angle equal to one angle. These two are parallel. This is the transversal. Can I say these are alternate interior angles? I get AA criteria, the two triangles are similar. That's all. Okay. So proof. In triangle POQ and triangle SOR, angle POQ is equal to angle SOR, reason being vertically opposite angles. The order of naming does not matter here because you're not relating them, but when you write the similar or congruent condition, your order of naming matters. Okay. So this is vertically opposite angles. Next, angle QPO is equal to angle RSO, reason being alternate interior angles. So now I can therefore say triangle POQ, double line, single line, no line, double line, single line, no line. So triangle POQ, double line, single line, no line, double line, single line, no line, double line, single line, no line, SOR. That is exactly what is asked. Reason, AA similarity criteria. Example 5. Observe the figure and then find angle P. They want this angle. Okay, if these two triangles are congruent, we can find angle P very easily. Correct? I mean similar. If the two triangles are similar, we can find angle P very easily because all angles would be equal. Okay, so now let's begin. BC by PQ, 6 by 12, which is 1 by 2. Agreed? Yes. Next, 3.8 and 7.6 are related. So BA by QR, 3.8 by 7.6, 1 by 2. AC by PR, 3 root 3 by 6 root 3, 1 by 2. Can you see all these sides? All of them are 1 by 2. So I can therefore write BC by PQ is equal to BA by QR is equal to AC by PR. Sides are proportional. The two triangles will be similar due to SSS similarity criteria. So now triangle whom is similar to whom? 6, 3.8, 3 root 3. 6, 3.8, 3 root 3. CBA. Triangle CBA is similar to 6, 3.8 to 3 root 3. 12, 7.6, 6 root 3. Please follow the order. 6, 3.8, 3 root 3. 6 related to 12, 3.8 related to 7.6, 3 root 3 related to 6 root 3. 12, 7.6, 6 root 3. PQR. Fine. Criteria, SSS similarity criteria. Therefore, angle P is equal to angle C. Angle P is equal to angle C because angles in a similar triangle are equal. Reason, corresponding angles of similar triangles are equal. Okay. So angle P equals angle C, but do I have angle C? No. So first find out angle C. Angle A plus B plus angle C is 180. 80 plus 60 plus angle C is 180. Angle C is 40 degree. Therefore, angle P is also 40 degree. Example 6. In the figure, OA into OB is equal to OC into OD. Show that angle A is equal to angle C and angle B equals angle D. If I somehow prove these two triangles are similar, I will be able to prove that those angles are equal. So now the question here is, how do I prove these triangles are similar? So what is given first of all? Given OA into OB is equal to OC into OD, and you have to prove angle A equals angle C and angle B equals angle D. Okay, now coming back to the figure here, vertically opposite angles, these two are equal. Agreed? So, proof. Which are the two triangles you are taking? You want to somehow relate AOD and COB. So, first we will see what is given. OA into OB is equal to OC into OD. This is given. I have to rearrange this so that I get sides are proportional. See, OA belongs to triangle 1. Good. Denominator of OA should have someone from triangle 2. Denominator of OA should have someone from triangle 2. In triangle 2, OC and OD, whose triangle 2? OC. So, bring OC down. OA by OC is equal to OD is triangle 1, OB is triangle 2. Understood? How did I choose to rearrange? So, I took OA by OC is equal to OD by OB. So, sides are proportional. Angles, we got vertically opposite angle. So, this much is fine. This is from the given statement. So, can I therefore write, in triangle AOD and triangle COB, we have this as condition 1, OA by OC is equal to OD by OB, and we also have angle AOD equal to angle BOC, reason being vertically opposite angles. So, now the two triangles are similar. The question here is, who is similar to whom? Go from single angle double AOD. Triangle AOD is similar to whom? Single angle double COB. Which criteria? SAS similarity criteria. What is SAS similarity criteria? Two sides are proportional and the including angle is equal. So, these two sides are proportional, the inclusive angle is equal. You have to prove angle A equals angle C, angle B equals angle D. If you can see here, angle A is equal to angle C, angle B is equal to angle D. Angle A equals angle C, angle B equals angle D. Reason being, corresponding angles of similar triangles are equal. Example 7. A girl of height 90 centimeter is walking away from the base of a lamp post at a speed of 1.2 meter per second. If the lamp is 3.6 meters above the ground, find the length of her shadow. This is the length of a shadow after 4 seconds. I will just redraw this diagram. So, this is the lamp post AB. It is given this is 3.6 meters and the girl is standing somewhere here. Shadow, we've learnt it in trigonometry as well. You will learn it if you haven't. Shadow will go along the same line. This light ray will fall and this will cause a shadow. CDE. This is the shadow length DE. What else have they given? Speed of the girl is 1.2 meter per second and she walks after 4 seconds they want the shadow. So, she has walked at the speed of 1.2 meter per second here and for 4 seconds. So, can I somehow find the value of BD? Yes, I can. So, directly starting with the proof, given you write and you write the to find, what do you have to find? You're under to find, it will be DE. Let's begin now. So, here speed given is 1.2 meter per second and time given is 4 seconds. So, I can say distance BD is equal to 1.2 into 4. 1.2 into 4 is 4.8 meters. So, we found out that this is 4.8. Fine. I want to find this distance DE. So I will just call it as X. Okay. Now see here, this is 90, this is 90. Angle E is common to this triangle, angle E is common to this triangle. Can I say ECD is similar to EAB? Yes. Why? 90, 90 and common angle E. So AA similarity criteria. And then after that, it's easy, just take the proportional sides. Also, the height of the girl given in the question is 90 centimeters. 90 centimeters is 0.9 meters. Don't forget that. Okay. So now I hope you understood what I explained. In triangle, what are the two triangles we are taking? ABE and triangle CDE. So we have angle ABE 90 degree, which is also equal to angle CDE. All of these are 90. Obviously, all the heights are always perpendicular to the ground. Next, what else do we have? Angle E equals angle E common. Therefore, I can say triangle ABE is similar to triangle CDE, AA similarity criteria. So, corresponding sides of the triangle are proportional. So, I am going to use that now. AB, I have 3.6. Its corresponding side is whom? CD. AB, CD. So, AB by CD. Next, should we consider AE? No, it's useless because we don't have the value of it, it's unknown. Next side you take is this side, BE. So, you want BE here. BE here is nothing but DE there. Now, substitute. AB is 3.6, CD is 0.9, BE is 4.8 plus X, DE is just X. Solve for X, that's your answer. So, this is 36 by 9 multiply and divide with 10, 4.8 plus X by X, 1s are 4s are, 4 into X is equal to 4.8 plus X. So, send the X to the side, 4X minus X is equal to 4.8, 3X is equal to 4.8, X is equal to 4.8 by 3. X is equal to 3 ones are 3.18, 1.6 meters. The length of the shadow is 1.6 meters. Example 8, in the figure CM and RN are respectively the medians of triangle ABC and PQR. So, CM and Rn are medians. So, that means this side is equal to this side and this side is equal to this side. Why? Because M is midpoint, N is midpoint. Median means what? Vertex to midpoint. If triangle ABC is similar to PQR, prove that. So, first let us write all the givens. It is given that CM is median of ABC. So, can I say M is midpoint of AB? Yes, I can. Next, it is given that Rn is median of PQR. Can I say N is midpoint of PQ? Yes, I can. It is also given that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Now, whatever proofs we need, I will just write it here because we need it for reference later. Triangle AMC is similar to triangle PNR. We also need CM by RN is equal to AB by PQ. And lastly, we need to prove that triangle CMB is similar to triangle RNQ. Okay. So, these are all the two proof statements. So, write down two proof and write all this. Fine. So, now let us start the proof. So, now let us begin the proof. See, understand one thing, they have given you ABC is similar to PQR. So, A is equal to P, angle A is equal to P, angle B is equal to angle Q and angle C is equal to angle R. Agreed? Yes. Also their sides will be proportional because they're similar. That means AB will be AB by PQ is equal to AC by PR is equal to BC by QR. Agreed? Because sides are proportional. Now, if you observe AMC and PNR, in AMC and PNR, from ABC who's there? AC is there? Yes. And who else is there? AB's half is there. So, understand what I'm trying to do over here. It is given that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Therefore, I can write AB by PQ is equal to AC by PR, AB, AC, BC. BC by whose BC related to QR. Agreed? Okay. So, now from this I want to reach AMC and PNR. So, in triangle AMC and triangle PNR, see, AMC has AC, yes, and AM is nothing but half of AB. So, I am going to take this part, see here, from 1, can I write this as AB by PQ is equal to AC by PR? I can take only the first two parts, agreed? Can I write multiply and divide up and down with half? Yes, I can. Half AB is nothing but AM. Why? Half AB because M is midpoint, it's a median, right? And half PQ is nothing but PN is equal to AC by PR. What is the reason? Because M is midpoint, or you can just write given. Why? Because we have already written and given that M is midpoint and N is also midpoint. So, AM by PN is equal to AC by QR. We got the two sides as proportional, and we have the including angle equal. How do we have the including angle equal? Because they have given ABC is similar to PQR. So, ABC is given as similar to PQR. So, can I therefore write, so we have this two sides proportional and we have angle A equal to angle P. Why? Since triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. So, I can say similar corresponding angles of similar triangles are equal. So, angle A equals angle P. Angle A equals angle P, and the two sides, these two sides are proportional. I can therefore say triangle AMC is similar to triangle PNR, reason being SAS similarity criteria. SAS similarity criteria. So, this is the first proof. Second proof you can see is nothing but the extension of the first proof itself. See here, they want CM. CM means this, CM. If I am taking CM here, I should take an RN here, equal to AB. AB by PQ. Now, how do we get this AB by PQ? So, can I write this is equal to AM by PN? Can I write this is equal to AM by PN? Yes, I can. Multiply and divide with 2. CM by RN, 2 times AM is what? AB. Why? Because M is midpoint. 2 times PN is what? PQ. Hence, second one is also proved. Now, third condition, triangle CMB is similar to triangle RNQ. CMB is similar to RNQ. Same method as we did the first one, you will have to just wisely choose your sides, right? So, now while wisely choosing our sides, let us see how we do so. Okay. Now, look, we know that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. So, what does that mean? AB by PQ, I want BC. So, we already have this, we have already written it on top, AC by PR, you can label that as equation 1 or 2, and use that itself, no problem. AC by PR and this is BC by QR. In this triangle I want BC and QR, so from this I will choose BC and QR. So I want CM, B and R and Q, right? Among this, BC is there. Along with BC, who is there? R and Q. QR is there. So I want this BC, QR. And I want BM and QN. I want BM and QN. BM and QN is a part of AB and QP. So who is the unnecessary ratio here? AC and PR. Leave it. So AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR. I don't want AB. I want half of AB. So put half up and down. So it becomes AM by PQ. No. Half of PQ is what? QN. AM by QN is equal to BC by QR. So I got the sides are proportional. So now this is, we'll call this as equation 1, or I mean we'll write down in triangle BMC and triangle QNR, we now have AM by QN is equal to BC by QR. So we have AM by QN is equal to BC by QR. Who else do we need? Do we need anybody else here? Yes. See, we have this side, we have this side, this side. The including angle is already equal. Angle B is equal to angle Q. Reason being, since triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, we can use angle B equal to angle Q. Using these two conditions, can I now say triangle CMB is similar to triangle RNQ, reason being SAS similarity criteria.